Roofs need to be checked at least once a year commercially because all kinds of things can happen. Wind, flying debris, which we're going to see some of that in a minute. But caulks need to be refreshed minimum every 5 years or so. And you really need to start thinking about it about every 3, because as we walk along here and take a look, this one's doing okay. Well, if it'll do that, that means the water's inside the wall. So we're not sure how far down this wall is soaked or anything else. You can actually see here these cracks. And you can even see moisture from a distance on these cracks. That's all from this coming down inside the wall. You can see water here. It's been trying to work its way out. And if you back away, you can actually still see moisture right here. You can see the darkness of that moisture on those cracks. That is coming from up there and running down inside the wall. We've got a little bit of evidence of it here. This building's only about 5 years old, and you've got cracks running all through here.